This kid didn't even have money to buy candy, and now he makes over $1 million a month doing almost nothing. Sounds fake? I thought the same until I found out how he hacked the system, used AI, and turned a small idea into a money printing machine. And if you watch till the end, I'll show you exactly how you can copy the formula before it's too late.
But wait, this is not just a fairy tale, because at the end, I'm going to show exactly how you can do it too. What he did, you can copy it. And once you hear it, you won't sleep tonight. So Daniel was broke, like actually broke. Couldn't even buy gum at 7-Eleven. While his friends were buying snacks, he was pretending to not be hungry. That broke. But instead of complaining, he got obsessed. Obsessed with one thing. How are these faceless YouTubers making so much money without showing their face or voice? So he did something that most teens won't do. He locked himself in his room and started working. No parties, no games, just YouTube. Algorithms, obsession, all night, every night. And remember, this isn't even the crazy part. I'll tell you how you can do this exact thing. Just wait. He watched popular faceless creators on loop. He paused videos to study thumbnails. He rewrote titles 20 times. He practiced hooks out loud, in a mirror, like a lunatic. First few videos? Nothing. 9 views, 3 likes. Pain. But he kept posting. Then, boom. One video explodes. 50K views, then 100K, then over 1 million views. His phone starts melting. Stripe payments, pinging emails, comments, DMs out of nowhere. He's making $10,000 a month. But no, this ain't where it ends, because this is the part that most creators never tell you. This next move is how he went from 10K to $1 million a month. He looked around in the YouTube industry and saw something. Every creator was struggling to edit videos, shorts, captions, timing, cuts. It took hours, and most people quit. The system was broken, and Daniel knew, if I fixed this one thing, I could change the game. So he built Crayo, an AI video editing platform that takes your raw video and in one click turns it into a viral short. Captions, zooms, B-roll, sound, all automated. It's like hiring an editor team for free. Creators went crazy. TikTokers, YouTubers, agencies, everyone started using it. And Daniel, he just sat back and watched his income go from 20K to 100K, then to over $1 million every single month. But this is not the end, because in the next few seconds, I'm going to tell you how you can do the exact thing. I will give you the exact formula, what niche he picked, what problem he solved, how he launched it, and how you can copy it, even if you're broke right now.
So Daniel was pissed off by one thing. Even a 60 seconds short take, 6 hours to edit. Every night he was thinking of a solution to this problem, and one day he got an idea. He started working on it like a maniac. He created Crayo, an AI tool that makes scroll-stopping short videos in seconds. You just paste a link and boom, captions, done. Clips, done. Music, perfectly placed. Zooms, dynamic. Hook, as powerful as Mr. Beast. It even knows the right posting times. What used to take hours now takes less than a minute. Daniel didn't just start a business. He solved the biggest pain in the creator economy. And when he launched Crayo, it went viral. Creators poured in, small ones, big ones, million subscriber YouTubers. All of them needed one thing, speed. And Crayo gave them that. That's how a 17-year-old with no investors, no rich family, and no fancy tech degree built a $1 million a month empire. Just by solving one painful problem, just by watching what most people ignored. While other kids were playing Fortnite or binge-watching Netflix, he was studying the creator economy like it was a map to buried treasure. And it was, because here's what he saw that you probably haven't. Right now in 2025, we are living in the weirdest economy ever. People are paying thousands just to save time. Businesses need content more than they need marketing teams. Kids are turning ideas into income faster than entire companies. And still, 99% of people scroll TikTok for hours a day, never realizing they could own the content people are addicted to. Daniel realized this. So instead of scrolling, he studied what kept people hooked. He studied algorithms, retention, and everything needed to make people stay. Then he created a system, not a channel, not a course, Not a guru funnel, a system. Something that works while he's asleep. Something that serves creators and prints money. That system was Crayo. But here's the scary part. He's not special. You think you're late? You're early. AI is just getting started. Content is scaling faster than people can produce it. And 99% of creators are still manually editing or giving up. That's your window. There are creators right now with 10 million followers, but they can't post daily because editing takes too long. Imagine being the person who solves that problem. You don't need a genius idea. You need a useful one. That's what Daniel understood. So if you are still watching, I want to say something to you. Just go and start. You are not late, you are just distracted. So ask yourself, what problem do you see right now that others are ignoring? What pain can you solve today that'll pay you every day? The creator economy is wide open. You don't need permission. You don't need millions. You just need the courage to start small and keep showing up. Because what if you are the next Daniel Bitton?